Hello there, I'm Dave from Dynobike, and today we have a beautiful Kawasaki ZX10. This is a 2025 model, which for all intents and purposes is the same as the 24. I'm just getting it ready to do some base runs on it, so we'll see what it's putting out now. It does actually have an Akrapovic slip-on it. However, the Cadillac converter and the stock exhaust is still on it. So we'll run it up, see what it is, then pull it off. I have a full Evolution Akrapovic exhaust system to go on it, Dyno air filter, and then we'll tune it to suit and see what it's got at the end of the day. Right, so I guess everyone's pretty keen to see how much power this bad boy is putting out. As I mentioned earlier, full Evolution Akrapovic exhaust, DNA air filter, and now last but not least, the tune. This bike is now putting out 197 horsepower. It was putting out 180, so that's quite a big jump. In fact, it's a massive jump, quite frankly, with a bike that's already putting out a lot of horsepower to start off with. It's got more torque everywhere as well as more horsepower everywhere. There's nowhere that it's not better, especially in the mid-range. We've got a jump of 98, look, 20 horsepower at 8,000 RPM. It's jumped up, and I'm sure a customer is going to be very happy with that. If this is your thing and you want to tune, or you want this tune and you want this exhaust, I've put some links down below this video, so you can click on the links. That will take you direct to our online store, where you can order the exhaust and the air filter and even the tune. If you want a dyno tune, you can order that through the site also, or you can ring us up if it's more convenient and organise a suitable day to get your bike right here so we can tune it. For those that are happy with the tune, and frankly the tune for most people is all you need, you can order a PowerGate 4 module that plugs into the diagnostic port, which is just behind me here, and then you can download our tune file directly to your ECU, and you also get the original file. So if for any reason you want to go back to stock tune, you have it at your fingertips to do so. I shall put this one back together, and I think it's worthy of a test ride, of course. So thanks for watching. I'm Dave from Dynobike.